Other guys I'm feeding. Hello, pretty boy. Excuse me, sir. I've been told you guys are an invasive species and that food is not put out for you because I'm not trying to feed the invasive species, so you need to leave. Rara, you're not supposed to eat the food, the invasive species, I was told. So, beat it. I tried. What you let me do? God's creature, one of God's creatures, right? But minor birds don't seem to like seeds. Yeah. Dove over there. Is that a baby cardinal? I don't know. He's cute though. Yep, you guys all got wet waiting for the food out when the rain came through. Sorry about that. Look, you get friend now. Oh, no, let him push you out. There you go. Oh, you guys look like you had a bad night at the bar or something. This bugger, his hair takes the cake. Sup, little one? That guy. Yes, sir. All right. Jeez, these guys, they still trying to get a shot or something. There's my bridge. I've been hearing a lot of you guys blow across the bridge, pulling the wheelies right on the bridge. Mahalo. You get plenty bikers live up here. Fuck, we hear you guys coming, bro. Right on.